Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today for something completely different we have a 5-lever Chubb cruiser padlock. This has been sent out for people to have a go at by Safecracker33 off the UK Lock Sport forum, and he's even made a homebrew 2-in-1 pick to send out with it just so that people can have a go. I've never used one of these before or done any lever locks, but he's even put marks on the shaft here so we know exactly where the levers are. So it's all locked up, the tissue's there because this seems to be leaking out oil and rust all over the place. He's given us some instructions, so let's give it a go and see if I can actually open one of these. It's a little bit awkward because I've tried to rework all this so that we can get it on camera. So we go in there, and I'm going to try and get under here to do it so you can see what's going on. So we'll start on number 1 or 5, whichever way around, I'll call it number 1. Basically just feeling the levers backwards and forwards through them until we feel some movement on the tension. So this could take a while. As I've never done it before. I've got a little bit of movement there. And there we go. Opened up. So quite an interesting thing then. Apparently to lock it, we go anti-clockwise with the tension onto that one there, clockwise, and there we go, all locked up again. So my first ever lever padlock. Just have to think about getting some more now and working my way up. I just thought I'd show you this, what I'm actually going to have to work my way up to. This was also from Safecracker33. He passed this on to me in a trade, and if I can just get this cover off, which is a little bit fiddly. There we go. And what we have is, it's called a Mersey lock. If you can read all the bits and pieces on there. But it is a 14-lever cabinet safe, some sort of security lock like that, which comes with this key. But it all works very nicely. And you can, it's hard to describe, but the way it works, you can feel it through the key. It's absolutely lovely. So I may have to start doing some more lever locks and work my way up to picking something like this eventually. Anyway, thanks to Safecracker for both of these, and that was fun to do. I shall be passing it on to the next person. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.